What are your thoughts on Monday's stock market rally?
Monday's rally was definitely fell into the category of relief rally. And the question is how much relief did we see and whether that's lasting? The stated cause was some comments over the weekend that seemed to really ratchet down the trade war rhetoric. It's not clear to me how much the market really bought into the trade war rhetoric in and of itself. There was never, it was such a moving target, but I still believe that the market's psychology right now is it hears what it wants to hear, and what it wants to hear is something good, and it heard something it liked. The problem you get is there are so many moving parts right now in terms of the trade front, and I'm really going to oversimplify it probably to U.S. China, but there are so many other countries that have a stake in what's going on, whether it be Canada and Mexico over NAFTA or Japan over various tariffs that they kind of got dragged in on along with Europe. But what you really start to see is U.S. China is really the main focus here. I think there have been some interesting turnarounds. There was the shocking reversal on ZTE or ZTE, depending on where you live, and that was certainly an interesting turn of events politically, and it's led people to question what prompted that, and I'll leave that for others to flesh out. And then today, Tuesday, we saw some easing of Chinese import tariffs on autos. But some of this stuff really just seems cosmetic, and the question remains, what is really going on? We sort of initiated, we being the U.S., sort of initiated this trade confusion or assertiveness. And it remains up to us to resolve, but the market has to decide whether it minds being enthralled to something that seems sort of capricious and fluid versus something that's going to be proceeding over the longer term. And I think that goes back to the aspect of political clarity. And right now, though, the market psychology is such that it seems eager for some positive news. And on Monday, it got the positive news it wanted and reacted accordingly.